Welcome to a world of transformation where financial freedom and simplicity intertwine. Today, we embark on a journey through the 10 stages of a frugal lifestyle, guiding you towards saving money and embracing a more fulfilling existence. Stage 1. Awakening to the frugal mindset. Awakening to the frugal mindset is not always easy. It requires self-reflection, a willingness to let go of old habits, and the courage to challenge societal expectations. It's about recognizing that true wealth lies in living within your means and finding contentment in simplicity. But the rewards that await you. As you awaken to the frugal mindset, you open the door to a world of possibilities. You discover the joy of saving, the thrill of finding creative solutions, and the satisfaction of aligning your actions with your values. Embrace this moment of awakening, my friend. Let it fuel your determination and propel you forward on this transformative journey. For in this stage lies the foundation of a frugal lifestyle, a mindset that will guide you towards a life of financial independence, purpose, and freedom. Stage 2. Evaluating spending habits. Take a moment to reflect on your recent expenses. Are you aware of where your hard-earned money is going? Evaluating spending habits is the key to unlocking the door to financial clarity and making intentional choices that align with your values. Begin by tracking your expenses meticulously. Every coffee, every impulse purchase, every bill, capture them all. It may be eye-opening to see how seemingly small expenses can add up over time. This awareness sets the stage for change. As you review your spending, identify areas where you may be overspending or indulging in unnecessary luxuries. Be honest with yourself and challenge the notion that more spending equates to more happiness. True fulfillment often lies in the simplicity of mindful choices. Creating a budget becomes your guiding compass. Establish clear financial goals and allocate your resources accordingly. Prioritize the essentials and distinguish between needs and wants. It's about finding a balance that allows you to live comfortably while also saving for the future. In this stage, stories of transformation emerge. Individuals who were once trapped in a cycle of impulsive spending learn to embrace a newfound sense of discipline and restraint. They find freedom in understanding the power of their financial choices and the potential for long-term stability. Remember, evaluating spending habits is not about deprivation or sacrifice. It's about aligning your spending with what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. By cutting out the unnecessary, you create room for the things that matter most. Stage 3. Embracing minimalism. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the transformative stage of our journey, embracing minimalism. In a world that constantly bombards us with messages of consumerism and excess, this stage invites us to reevaluate our relationship with material possessions and find contentment in simplicity. Imagine a life free from the weight of clutter, where your physical environment reflects a sense of calm and clarity. Embracing minimalism is about intentionally curating your surroundings, keeping only what truly adds value and letting go of the rest. Begin by decluttering your living space. This is not a mere tidying up, but a deliberate process of evaluating each item and asking yourself, does this truly serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? Letting go of the unnecessary can be liberating, creating space for what truly matters. As you embark on this minimalist journey, you'll find that it extends beyond physical possessions. It's a mindset shift, a conscious choice to focus on experiences and relationships rather than material accumulation. You'll discover that true wealth lies not in the abundance of things, but in the richness of life itself. By embracing minimalism, you'll find freedom from the relentless pursuit of possessions. Instead, you'll seek out meaningful experiences, moments of connection, and personal growth. Your priorities will realign, and you'll find yourself investing in what truly brings joy and fulfillment. Minimalism is not about sacrifice. It's about intentionality. It's about choosing quality over quantity, investing in items that align with your values and stand the test of time. You'll learn to appreciate the beauty of simplicity and find satisfaction in owning less. Through this stage, stories of transformation emerge. Individuals who once felt overwhelmed by clutter and the constant desire for more discover a newfound sense of peace. They find joy in the freedom that minimalism brings and embrace the opportunities for personal growth that come with a simplified lifestyle. Stage 4. Mastering meal planning and cooking. The first step is to embrace the art of meal planning. By taking a proactive approach to your meals, you can avoid impulsive and costly food purchases. Plan your meals for the week ahead, considering your dietary preferences, nutritional needs, and available ingredients. With a well-thought-out meal plan in hand, make a shopping list and stick to it. Avoid the pitfalls of wandering aimlessly through the grocery store, succumbing to enticing but unnecessary items. By shopping intentionally, you'll save money and reduce food waste. Next comes the joy of cooking. Experiment with new recipes, flavors, and techniques. Cooking at home allows you to control the quality of ingredients, cater to your dietary requirements, and unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Discover the satisfaction of preparing meals from scratch. Whether it's a hearty soup, a vibrant salad, or a comforting casserole, each dish becomes an expression of your culinary skills and a celebration of wholesome ingredients. As you master meal planning and cooking, you'll find that it's not only about saving money, but also about nourishing your body and soul. Sharing meals with loved ones becomes a cherished ritual, fostering connection and creating lasting memories. In this stage, stories of transformation emerge. Individuals who once relied on takeout and convenience foods discover the joy and fulfillment of preparing their meals. They experience the financial benefits of cooking at home while developing a deeper appreciation for the art of nourishment. Stage 5. Saving money on utilities and household expenses. As you step into this stage, you'll witness the incredible power of simple adjustments. By analyzing your current energy consumption, you can identify areas of potential savings. Take a closer look at your electricity, water, and gas usage. Opportunities to make impactful changes lie away in energy-efficient appliances and lighting solutions hold the key to substantial long-term savings. With LED bulbs illuminating your home and energy-smart devices, optimizing your usage, your wallet will thank you as your energy bills shrink. Reducing household waste becomes a catalyst for both frugality and environmental stewardship. Embrace the 3 R's, reduce and recycle, as guiding principles. By minimizing single-use items, repurposing, and sorting recyclables, you contribute to a greener world while watching your expenses dwindle. Eco-friendly habits are the backbone of this stage. From line-drying laundry to employing natural cleaning products, each choice you make brings you closer to a sustainable lifestyle. Embrace water-saving techniques and explore the wonders of rainwater collection, low-flow fixtures, and conscientious water usage. Within this stage, stories unfold of individuals shedding the burden of excessive utility bills and wasteful habits. Witness their transformative journeys as they adopt new practices, experiencing firsthand the financial relief and sense of purpose that comes from reducing their ecological footprint. Stage 6. Thrift shopping and secondhand finds. Step into a world of possibilities as you venture into thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces. Here, the thrill of the hunt combines with the joy of finding unique items at budget-friendly prices. The treasure trove of pre-loved treasures becomes your playground, offering endless opportunities for creativity and self-expression. As you peruse the racks of gently worn clothing, imagine the stories behind each piece. Embrace the thrill of uncovering high-quality garments, timeless classics, and fashion-forward pieces that perfectly reflect your personal style. From vintage gems to contemporary treasures, thrift shopping opens doors to a world of affordable fashion possibilities. But the allure of thrift shopping doesn't stop at clothing. Explore the aisles filled with furniture, home decor, books, and more. Each item holds the potential to transform your space, adding character and charm without breaking the bank. Embrace the art of repurposing and breathe new life into pre-loved items, creating a home that tells a story. Beyond the financial benefits, thrift shopping embraces sustainability in its truest form. By extending the life cycle of items, you contribute to the reduction of waste and the preservation of our planet's resources. Each purchase becomes a conscious choice, a step towards a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. In this stage, stories of transformation abound. Individuals who once overlooked thrift stores and secondhand finds discover the thrill of sustainable shopping. They experience the joy of building a wardrobe or decorating a home that reflects their unique style, all while reducing their impact on the environment. Stage 7. DIY projects and repurposing. Embrace the joy of giving discarded items a second chance at life, transforming them into remarkable creations that reflect your unique style. DIY projects empower you to infuse your personal touch, breathing new life into everyday objects while saving money along the way. From the stroke of the paintbrush to the gentle stitching of fabric, each DIY project becomes a masterpiece in its own right. Unleash your imagination and explore the realms of crafts, woodworking, and more as you embark on a journey of self-expression and creativity. Beyond the tangible rewards, DIY projects foster a more sustainable lifestyle. By repurposing and upcycling, you contribute to the reduction of waste and the preservation of our planet's resources. Each project becomes a small act of environmental stewardship, making a meaningful difference. As you delve into the world of DIY, you'll discover that the process is as fulfilling as the final product. It's an opportunity for personal growth as you learn new skills, problem solve, and embrace the satisfaction of bringing your visions to life. In this stage, stories of transformation come alive. Witness the journeys of individuals who once saw discarded items as mere clutter, only to discover their hidden potential through DIY projects. Their creative endeavors inspire us to see beauty in the overlooked and to embark on our own transformative DIY adventures. Stage 8. Cultivating a frugal social life. Step into a world where the value of socializing extends far beyond extravagant outings and lavish expenses. It's about redefining our perception of connection and embracing creative ways to engage with others, all while staying true to our frugal values. Discover the beauty of simplicity by nurturing authentic connections through shared activities. Embrace the joy of potluck dinners, game nights, and intimate gatherings where laughter and heartfelt conversations take center stage. These moments become the essence of true connection, where the bonds we form are genuine and lasting. Venture into your community and explore the wealth of free or low-cost activities available. Attend local events, visit parks and gardens, or engage in community volunteering. The possibilities are abundant, and the experiences gained are priceless, creating cherished memories that transcend financial constraints. Within this stage, stories unfold of individuals who have shifted their perspective on socializing. They break free from the belief that expensive outings define connection and instead discover the richness of cultivating a frugal social life. They find that the most profound moments are born from simplicity, where meaningful connections are nurtured and joy is found in the company of loved ones. Stage 9. Long-term financial planning. Picture a life where financial worries become a thing of the past, where you have the freedom to pursue your dreams and enjoy peace of mind. Long-term financial planning is the key to unlocking this reality, a pathway that requires foresight, discipline, and strategic decision-making. Begin by setting clear financial goals. Define what success means to you and envision the future you desire. Whether it's retiring comfortably, owning a home, or starting a business, your goals become the driving force behind your financial plan. Next, create an emergency fund, a safety net that provides financial security during unexpected circumstances. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, allowing you to weather any storm that comes your way. Invest wisely in assets that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles, seek professional advice if needed and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. Stay vigilant in managing your debts. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and explore strategies to consolidate or refinance loans for better terms. As you reduce your financial obligations, you'll free up resources to allocate towards your long-term goals. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, and your plan should adapt accordingly. Embrace flexibility and embrace opportunities to optimize your financial position. In this stage, stories of transformation emerge. Individuals who once lived paycheck to paycheck break free from a cycle and create a future of financial stability. They make informed decisions, exercise discipline, and witness their financial dreams becoming a reality. Now is the time, my friend, to seize control of your financial future. Embrace the power of long-term financial planning and lay the groundwork for a life of security and abundance. With every step you take, you move closer to the fulfillment of your dreams. Stage 10. Embracing the frugal lifestyle. Take a moment to reflect on the remarkable journey we've undertaken together. From awakening to the frugal mindset to mastering meal planning, embracing minimalism, and cultivating a frugal social life, we have unlocked the power of frugality at every turn. Now is the time to fully embrace this way of life, a life that values experiences over possessions, simplicity over excess, and purpose over mindless consumption. It's about making deliberate choices that align with our values and lead us towards financial freedom and fulfillment. As we embrace the frugal lifestyle, we discover the beauty of contentment in the present moment. We let go of the constant desire for more and find satisfaction in what we already have. We prioritize what truly matters: relationships, personal growth, and the pursuit of our passions. In this stage, we witness the incredible stories of transformation from individuals who have fully embraced the frugal lifestyle. They have found joy in the simple pleasures, financial freedom through wise choices, and a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment in their lives. But embracing the frugal lifestyle doesn't mean deprivation or sacrifice. It's about finding balance and making conscious decisions that lead to a more meaningful existence. It's about being resourceful, creative, and mindful of our impact on the world around us. As we conclude this transformative journey, let us celebrate the rewards we have reaped: the sense of freedom, the financial stability, the strengthened connections, and the personal growth. Let us carry these lessons forward, cherishing the frugal mindset and embracing the beauty of intentional living.